Hi everyone! I thought I would make a voice recording video of how to access Google Classroom because we will be using Google Classroom throughout the year, and this is where you will access all of your child's schoolwork and assignments for not only myself, but any specialists such as our gym teacher, an art teacher, music. So it's really important to know how to access Google Classroom. So there's a couple ways on how you can do this. The first way is I am on my Chromebook, which is the same type of Chromebook that your child has as well. So one way is I can click this little home button right here. So very easy, right next to the Google link. I click home, and it brings me to a website called ClassLink. ClassLink has all the different applications that your child will use. Mine looks a little bit different because mine is the teacher version, as you can see. But both mine and a student's account will have Google Classroom. So here is where mine is. Your child's Google Classroom little logo might be in a different spot on the computer, but this is mine, so I'm going to click on it, and it brings me right to the Google Classroom homepage. So I'm going to click on Miss Tombari's Google Classroom, and this is where I can access my assignments and the Google Meet link. So each day when your child logs on, they will click on the Google Meet link, and it will take us to our virtual Google Classroom. Also, this is the stream, which is like the main homepage of the Google Classroom. So this is where I post assignments. This is where the gym teacher or any other specialist will post assignments. And it's kind of like the homepage. So here you'll see everything from the first day of school. Now, if you want to find something specific, you click classwork, which is the second tab. There's two tabs we have currently. Once we start curriculum instruction, we'll have more tabs for reading, math, and science, and so on. But right now we have PE, and we have our first week of school assignments. So instead of going through the stream, if you wanted to find something specific, you click classwork, and you could click one of the tabs and find what you need to find. And this is our Google Classroom. So the second way to access Google Classroom is if you are on the Google homepage. So as you can see, I'm on my Google homepage. You can type in Google. You can click the new tab, and it opens up a Google tab. So what I always tell the students is to look for the waffle. Now, the waffle is right next to their little Meriden account, and the waffle has the 9 dots. So I click on this, and it shows a picture of all the Google apps. Now, mine is right here. Your child's Google Classroom logo might be down here, might be over here. It might be in a different spot, but it's under the waffle, which is the 9 dots, and I can click it. It brings me right to Google Classroom the same way. So again, there's two ways on how to access Google Classroom that I would suggest for students. Is it to always click the home button right here. It brings you to ClassLink. You can click on the Google Classroom application, or the second way, very briefly, click the waffle, click the Google Classroom logo, and it will also bring you there. Okay, so that's two ways on how to access Google Classroom. So that's our first step. Google Classroom is very important on how to access because that is where all the child's information will be, such as assignments and our Google Meet link. So if you have any questions, please just let me know. And I hope that this video helped you as well.